Good morning. Uy, the Baba is watching outside. Baba, we're so high, Baba, no? Oh, good morning, eh? Good morning. Good morning. We're so high pala, guys. We are on the 16th floor. 19. Oh, 19th floor. Goodness. Scary, ah. Oh, mutot, Mimi. Oh, what is that? What is that, your toy? Is that your toy? Oh, fetch. Fetch, Mimi. Fetch. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ako mana. Is that your doggy? Is that your doggy? Wait. Give, Mimi, give. Give na. Give. Oy. Give na, Mimi. Ta, ato ta pool, ta. Let's watch. Ta. Uy. Wala. Ta, give me, Mimi na. Give. Give na, kay fetch na. Sige na. Ay sus. Biya. Morning, Babang. Give me. What? Wait lang. Sit down. Wait. Di ba ang kulang ato ba? Morning, Bobby. Subo lang tabi mo diyan eh. Naunsa makadudong.
Ay, napos pasag di pas kamanat, boy. Butang lang diya. Ay, ito guy.
That's enough. Oh, you eat. Oh, eat na. Okay, ihatag ko gila sa bird.
Hindi po siya mukhaon.
I'm gonna give it to the bird.
Kasi pakialam niya siya mukhaon.
Bird! Ay, let's get water. No, not that. This one only.
Ayaw.
No, come here. Lagi, come here.
Sit down.
Sit down. Sit.
Wait.
Oh, wait. Go.
Nagbinag-una na.
Morning. So, hindi siya masyadong magandang hotel. So, hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan. 2-bedroom siya. 2 bedrooms, 2 queen beds pala. Hindi siya masyadong maganda, guys. Kasi, basta hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan. Siguro, I guess, napili ko to kasi free yung dogs. Free yung, walang bayad si Shadow. Yeah, but overall, yung place is not that good. I mean, just like the basic lang. So, nandito kami sa Sheraton Vancouver Wall Center Hotel. Tapos, ang ano pa ng parking. So, maano ka pa doon. Basta, hindi siya not so very convenient pa. Lalo na pag traveler ka na marami kang bit-bit. Kasi, as you can see over there downstairs, wait lang, pakita ko. See over there, doon kami pumasok last night from here, over here. So, kailangan mo pang mag-go left here and left here again. Go all the way to their parking. I guess the parking is over there. So, mag-elevator ka and then you have a dog and you have luggages. So, not very convenient. To some, maybe. Oh my gosh. So, that's the only thing. Maybe for some, I thought kasi naka-on kayo. So, maybe to some, travelers, okay siya. But for us, hindi siya okay. So, siguro napili lang namin siya kasi free. Napili ko siya kasi free nga si Shadow. So, coffee muna tayo. Coffee tayo. Meron silang dito. So, gagawin lang tayo. I make coffees not for the sake of, make it. I just want na, para makapupups. Itong si Shadow, dito siya nagsistay sa, dito siya nagsistay sa washroom. Kasi nga, maano kasi dito malamig. So, dito siya No, Baba, you can't drink because you're gonna be, na naman. Gusto mong ano siya. Addict to siya, guys. Ito naman si Falcom. Nagsusuka siya kagabi, kaya merong ano dyan. No! Magsusuka ka na naman. So, this is their coffee, guys. So, pag nilagay ko kayo sa ano pa. Sa harap nito. Pag ganun pala siya. Okay, and then we'll have some coffee, Bobby. This is the cup. And let's start it. Start. Okay. I'm brewing na. Bobby? Breakfast. Order lang kami ng Starbucks. Wala kasing free breakfast nito. But tomorrow, meron kaming free continental breakfast. Bobby! Morning! Check out na kami, guys. So, it was a smooth checked out. So, we only paid for parking for $60 overnight kasi nga, ganyan
3,000
dito.
din yun, guys.
Ganyan dito sa Vancouver. So, we're going to the Gastown Steaming Clock. Pa-picture lang, and then we go to Granville, and then another park, and then we're going to Clearwater. Where we Oh, wala na naman din, syempre. Wala na sa ito kay.
Naman.
Ito talaga.
Ano nga pala?
Dito na kami sa Gastown Steaming Clock. Picture lang tayo. No parking, but we're gonna be quick. Just for this. Baba, let's go. Oop, wait on, hold on. So, yan lang naman ang steaming clock. Gastown Steaming Clock. Oh, kami naman. Shadow. Psst, come on. Andito na kami lahat. Gastown Steam Clock. That's the clock. Yun.
Against the light. It's not gonna hurt you. See, he's just walking. No,
Mukha
because
niya
the thing, remember?
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Is it?
it was leaking water.
Yeah.
Lalabas ito. Sige, tab.
Pumunta na tayong Granville Island.
Granville Island, hindi pa.
Yes, that's Granville Island. We will just go there, explore. We'll go to other park. We'll go for lunch, and then we will go to our
Clearwater.
final hotel. Yeah, last hotel. Final.
Oh.
Yan ako sa Roxana, na playground dito. In Granville Island. That's Granville. Nice. Okay, let's get some fish. Meron mga oysters. Fish and chips. Yeah, I think we can go here later. Just check if there's, they allow dogs. Punta kami ng Granville Island.
I'm a street theater entertainer, and believe it or not, this is what I do for a living. Thank you to those two people. I'm going to ask you a massive favor, if you wouldn't mind. Can I get everyone just to step up behind the benches? Cars do come through. I don't want anyone to get hurt. If you move your legs around. That was awesome. Folks, take a look around. What we all created here today from nothing is called human interaction and energy. It doesn't take much just as all of us. At the end of this stunt, I'm going to stand here with these four men. I'll hold up my hat, and I'll be accepting contributions. You know how this works. I am one of the very few.
Ayan, order kami ngayon. Dito kami. Ang daming tao. So may labas dito or pwede mag-order dyan, kain dyan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oily. Ay, oily. Mika. No. Okay, let's go. Fish and chips lang naman ako. Saan ba dito masarap kainan? Ay, wow, ba ang camera? Ang mga lantian. Caught in here. Ah! Ay! Buti ka na. Yan kayo? Dito na ako. Dito na lang. Sorry. Grabe naman talaga siya. Fish and chips from this store. Celine's Fish and Chips. And how about milk frog from this one as well. The fish and chips.
Picture ka
Mukha mo yun dyan.
Gusto ang tissue man lupa, awiri man tissue.
Ito. Sisiba. Ganda dito tayo, no? Maganda dito. Gusto ba? Look at them right out there. Shadow!
Shadow.
Shadow!
Where are they gonna go?
Where are they gonna go out there? Wala. It's gonna jump.
Don't jump. Don't jump. Keep around.
Kaya nga.
No. Let's go down.
You wanna go down? Come, let's go. Yeah. Baba tayo, baba. Baba tayo, baba dito. Wala. Pwede pala bumaba, di ba? Baba kami, oh, di ba? Nice. Para talaga tayong nasa Canada.
This is Canada.
This is Canada. Oh my gosh. Ito pala yung mga pagkain. Dito lang tayo magkain na lang. Uy! Nagkilabot ako. Anak mo. Ay, ako yung
Hoy!
yay! Ang ganda pala dito. Do you like it here? I so like it here. Tit. Oh, careful, ha? It's too, ano? OMG! Woo! I'm enjoying it. Saan tayo punta?
Can I be in the vlog?
Yes, of course. Oh, careful.
This is the part. One, two, three.
Watch your steps, okay? You might fall. Elijah, watch your steps. Mahulog ka. Okay.
Mga babae ba?
Kaya nga.
Mga babae. Sa dog.
Masyado ka, shadow?
Baka maitulog ka na siya.
Kaya nga. Picture o kayo?
Boss. Hindi lang. Ako dala ng isa.
Uy, ang ganda. Ang daming sakura. Oh my goodness. Nag-ano po tayo kahapon. Parang saan maganda? Parang dun, oh. Maganda, oh. Dito lang pala tinanim yung mga cherry blossoms. Goodness. Pahirapan pa kahapon. There's a lot out there, no? There's a lot.
You're walking ahead, hands in your jacket, late afternoon glow. City in pastel, I'm at your pace, one step behind. Petals keep falling soft in the light. Sidewalk shimmer, quiet and slow. Your shadow moving, steady tempo. Almost a moment, almost a sound. Spring floating down. Close enough, same direction, small vibration like connection. It's a Sakura falling slow. Pink in the afterglow. Petals in stereo. Soft like a secret code. Sakura, stay this close. You. Spring in my heartbeat. Out of sight. Went through the crosswalk, dust in the light. Traffic is glowing, silver and white. Your shoulders shifting, city in blur. Petals keep hiding every word. Breath in the evening.
Tapos na kami. Oh, wow. Dami yung magagawa sa ano, no? Vancouver, no? Ate, may sand pala to. Okay, stop over muna kami dito. Kaihit na natin si Falcom Jr. Ay! Don't go over there. Room tour. Okay, dito kami sa Hotel Lake Sevilla. Parang nasa daan lang to siya, guys. So, we got one key. Kami para tuloy-tuloy kami para malapit sila Roxana sa kabilang kwarto. So this is our bed. Ayan, may TV naman. Okay naman siya, very decent. I love the wall paintings. And we have these two chairs here. Okay. Ayan. Very good naman. I like the wallpaper talaga. Ganda ha. In fairness ha. In fairness to this, ganda. May balcony pala siya. Yun ka. Kaso lang. Snow, you can't go outside, Bob. It's... May aso pala doon nagpupupo. Dito, puntahan natin yung mga San Agustin. Hello. Prima. Oh! I love your room.
Maligo na kayo.
Uy, ang laki. In fairness. Hi, Nay.
Saan kayo?
Jet tabi.
Kabila.
Wow! Ang ganda.
Sa kitchen.
Uy, inferno. Papasok sana ako dyan. Kasi ano naman yan. Oh, balcony na. Tuloy-tuloy. Oh. Hi, Elijah. Parang naka-Oilers ka na. What happened to you? Why are you mad? Huh?
Who is the player in Poppy Playground?
Ano, kumulo na yan. Saan, kumulo na yan.
Ala, gusto kong ganitong bahay ko.
This first one.
Liit lang.
Cute lang.
Cute lang. Walang masyadong lilinisin. No? Yung minimalist ba? Minimalist ka.
Ay, naman gamit na.
Uy naman rin. Kalam. Uy, in fairness, I like, parang kung sa labas tignan ba yung para ano ba to? Parang motel na.
Eh, kasi nga, maliit na to lang.
Ito lang, cute, oh. Parang nirenovate to nila.
Ay, muna.
Dito eh.
Ay, meron pala ka na. Prito natin itong bukas, oh.
Dito pala kami sa Clearwater. We drove 5 hours from Vancouver kasi bukas 8-hour drive na naman. So, it's currently 9 p.m. na, guys. So, at least makapagpahinga mo na 9:50 na. So, maya-maya maghilamos na tayo and then we will sleep.